Right, as you can see, look, 1, 2, 3. All my vehicles have changed over to these K&N filters. Saved myself some money, better use, lifetime warranty. These guys even come with instructions. Most install time on these things is like 5 minutes. Very simple. If you don't have, I seem to have misplaced my instructions, but I think on the website they even have a downloadable PDF if you need. Come over here, I'm gonna show you how easy these are to order. Here we are, air filters. Search by vehicle. Search by year, search by make. So we want to search by vehicle. Automotive. 2012. We'll go Chevrolet. And what do I want to pick? Look, see? Large range of vehicles. Let's do the Sonic. Engine displacement. And again, if you don't know your engine displacement, go back to my old video. Watch the one on how to read your car manual. Get your car manual out. It'll explain to you. It'll have the specification in there. So I'm going to go with a 1.8 liter. And go. And just like that. There's the replacement filter. They even brought up the oil filter. There's the cabin filter. I mean, after buying this saves you going in the dealership and paying an upsell charge every time. That's added to your cart. Yeah, shipping, but once you have this, yeah. So that's how easy it is to get it. knfilters.ca. I'll post the website in the description so everybody can proceed to go over there if they're interested in this product. And if not, you can get one from your local garage. That doesn't have to be the reusable one, but change it yourself, you know? Save yourself some money.